Hello and welcome you all. Today we will do some multiple choice questions based on our chapter 4, which is linear equations in two variable. So our first question for today is the graph of x equal to plus minus a is a straight line parallel to the a x-axis, b y-axis, c line y is equal to x, and d line x plus y equal to 0. Student, we know that for x equal to plus minus a, the value of x remains fixed for different values of y, and as per its graphical representation, a straight line is formed which is parallel to y-axis. So option B is correct. Our second question for today is x equal to 5 and y equal to minus 2 is a solution of the linear equation A 2x plus y equal to 9, B 2x minus y equal to 12, C x plus 3y equal to 1, D x plus 3y equal to 0. Now in this question, when we put value of x equal to 5 and y equal to minus 2 in the left hand side of a given linear equations, and if it satisfies right hand side, then that will be our linear equation. Here we will put x equal to 5 and y equal to minus 2 in left hand side of equation which is present in option number B. So left hand side is equal to 2 into 5 minus of minus 2. So from here we get 2 5s are 10 plus 2 equal to 12, which is equal to RHS. So option number B is correct. Now our third question for today is find the value of k if x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1 is a solution of x plus 3y minus k equal to 0. Option A is k is equal to minus 1, B is k is equal to 2, C is k is equal to minus 2, and D option is k is equal to 3. So in this question, when we substitute the value of x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1 in left hand side of our linear equation, we get 2 plus 3 into minus 1 minus k equal to 0. So from here we get the value of k which is equal to minus 1. So option number A is correct. Now our fourth question for today is draw the graph of a linear equation 3x minus 7y equal to 21 and check whether 8, 1 is a solution of a given equation or not. So in this question, as our linear equation is 3x minus 7y equal to 21, and now we will find different solutions of this equation by putting value of x and y. So if we put x equal to 0, we get y is equal to minus 3, and if we put y is equal to 0, then we get x equal to 7. And student, one of the most important point that try to find the value of x and y in integers so that it will be easier for you to plot them on a graph paper. And so if I put 7 upon 3 in place of x, then we get y is equal to minus 2. And now plot 0, minus 3, 7, 0, and 7 upon 3, minus 2 on a graph paper. And now as you can see that 0, minus 3 is on negative y-axis, and 7, 0 is on positive x-axis, and 7 upon 3, minus 2 lies in fourth quadrant. When we join all the points with the help of scale, a straight line will form. And as per our question, we have to check whether 8, 1 is a solution of this given linear equation. So when we put x equal to 8 and y is equal to 1 in left hand side of our given linear equation in two variable, we get 3 into 8, 24, and minus 7 into 1, minus 7. So 24 minus 7 is 17. And you can see that it is not equal to right hand side. So 8, 1 is not a solution of the given linear equation in two variable. And now practice this question, mention on your screen and share me the solution. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much as always.